my Instagram and YouTube friends. How are you guys? Are you following us on Instagram and the TikTok? If you're not, you better get over there. When's the last time Eric saw Instagram? What? We have Instagram?
What's Instagram?
Exactly, right? It doesn't matter. He's missing out, but you guys don't have to. He's just got some brain cells loose because his mustache. Oh, wow, I saw you shaved it.
Well, it's Movember, so I have to.
November.
What's
that?
You got a mustache for Movember, for November? Come on, dude.
This is the weirdest thing I ever heard, dude.
Says the guy who's got some weird thing going on in his face, dude.
What?
All right.
Why is it weird?
So, there's nothing wrong. I got it actually. It turned out it was a bet. I won the bet, which I'm proud to say, and I am going to show it off for the
Eric,
rest of this
dude,
month,
he won
man.
$20.
Dude, I know you're made of cash. I'm not made of cash, but I did it for the cash and the pride. So,
Yeah.
that's why.
That noise you hear is the guys next door pretending that they're working.
They're just sitting over there banging on metal.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what I do too.
To irritate us. You guys, today we're not talking about anything but flex volt, but not normal flex volt. What kind of flex volt?
Flex volt.
Advantage. Advantage. Flex volt advantage, you guys. What is that going to get me, Eric? What is
More
flex
power,
volt?
70% more power.
77%.
Oh, 77%.
That's what the box says. Oh my god, I just read the box. I sussed this out to you guys. Oh.
Which is interesting because they both run off a battery.
What?
Yeah.
That's how that works?
It's crazy.
Dude, I thought you wind it up.
It's crazy.
What is
you don't
it?
even have to plug it in. You don't have to put gas in there. You don't have to do any of that. A simple DeWalt battery will do that.
Right, and I think...
But not any DeWalt battery. You got a 20-volt battery, and then you got a flex volt battery. And the flex volt is where the advantage is.
And you guys, we're to the point now, lives now, 2020, the greatest year ever, that corded circular
Actually, it's not the greatest year ever, but okay.
Oh, no, I know. It was a crazy year. The cords are really no longer needed. This flex volt advantage has the power, has the run time. 2 of these batteries, and you're running all day. I mean, this is a 9 amp hour battery. You know?
Yeah, I know. I can read.
Eric can read. What else, Eric?
Well, that's pretty much what it is. This is what you get with this hammer.
That's what you get with this hammer. You guys, we had a chance to test it outside, and man, Eric was right. You know, there's crazy more power when you have it on the flex volt side. When you put it on the 20 volt side, you're still getting the job done. It's still going through. You just have to go a little bit slower. Went through 3 sheets of, what was that, 3/4 inch?
Those are plywood. Yeah, so you got, it's basically, you have 2 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch. You got 2 inches. Basically what this can actually handle. So you can definitely see it on the 20 volt one. It was a 6 amp that we did. You can see it goes through there, but it's night and day compared to when you put the flex volt on there. The flex volt, you can go a lot faster, doesn't bog down at all. Now, don't get me wrong, I would still, like, if you're getting a circular saw, I would still go with this one over the older one, being like, well, I don't need the flex volt because I don't have a flex volt battery. But the way it's going, when you start upgrading the flex volt batteries, it's nice to have the tool that can actually utilize that power.
Yeah, plus, like Eric said, you know, you're using this tool, and it's like, it's okay on power, but then you buy this battery one day, and it's like, wow, it's like a whole new tool, right? Pretty normal, standard stuff, everything else on it, your bevel, your depth adjustment, everything like that. On your shoe here, you have your depth markings. Feels like an aluminum plate. I wouldn't say that that's magnesium, would you? It could be.
Aluminum, but I don't.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen a
usually it's like a darker gray.
Yeah, I've never seen it polished like that. Like that would be magnesium. You got your spindle lock up here, you guys. Tool is on board, correct? In the back. Very easy depth adjustment. You got your suicide hook up here, so you can hang it on a rafter. You can hang it on your sawhorse. Your typical 20 volt, real comfortable ergonomic DeWalt grip. You know. You know, there's not much else I can say about it. Well, you know, DeWalt is pretty much very good in the circular saw sector, right? With their cordless. Have you ever heard someone complain about their circular saws? Yeah, granted, there's entry-level 20-volt ones you can get that have less power, less features. But this one, you know, with the LED light, all that. I mean, this is like for the contract. This is contractor grade, you guys. It's going to be awesome for whichever contractor uses it.
No, it's interesting because in the power tool forum, they're actually talking about, like, do you go with the Milwaukee fuel grinder, or you just save some money and go with the regular grinder?
Fuel.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said too, because guess what? You may not need that power, all that, like this year, but there's going to be a job where you want that extra power. And I feel that's the same thing with this one. You just want to have that extra power just in case.
Yeah, we're not talking Priuses here. We're not out buying a car, you know? It's not like, oh, we want this engine, that engine. It's not cars. I mean, this is construction. If you're in this realm of DeWalt, you're going to want the most powerful that you could possibly get. Granted, unless you're doing, all you are is a cabinet guy and you're cutting little laminate cabinets and you want something small and compact, yeah, probably look at a different saw. If you're out on the job site, you're out in the field, this is it, you guys. FlexVolt Advantage. Really liking what they're doing.
Well, because there's a lot of times for sheathing and stuff like that, you're cutting through 2 and 3 pieces of plywood, you know, and that's what you're doing all day. You got a guy cutting. That's his job.
And FlexVolt's been out a long time, and that was their claim to fame, was the cross compatibility with the 20-volt platform. All you were getting was extra runtime when you're using a 9-amp hour FlexVolt. But now they're actually able to tap into the extra voltage and give you that more runtime, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, I'm very happy with this line, you guys. I'm very happy with DeWalt. I'm a big DeWalt fan. They're not paying us to do this or anything. We can say whatever we want. But
why we can't with other people?
No, we can. I just like to disclose who, you know, if we're being paid, if we're not being paid. You know, I mean, Lowe's, Southwires are sponsors of this video, right? So like, we could slam DeWalt, we could say whatever. I'm just gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Even when we do sponsored stuff, it's honest opinion.
Speaking of getting paid, you can buy this at Lowe's.
I don't know, can you? Someone was saying that you couldn't get FlexVolt Advantage at Lowe's.
I'm sure you go out.
Comment below.
They have DeWalt there. Like I know when we went to the store the other day, they have DeWalt there. Like
they do have DeWalt there, but I just don't know. I mean, it's weird.
They might not have that because that's so new.
Yeah, they have their sale kits right now, and like the Home Depot one is atomic, and the other one is just brushless. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't like about the tool industry, you guys. Sometimes I feel like they make too many of the same kind of tool, right? Like with Milwaukee, right? I mean, how many different drills do they have? These guys, how many different drills do they have?
Yeah, but there's a price
atomic,
point. You got the new ones, and I do get it. But you got that price point where people who want something, they want to. What was it? XRP was the old not lithium. NiCad.
Stick packs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stick packs. They actually had a Nano. It's called Lithium Nano.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Yes. Wow. That's right. But it's just people who want to like, okay, I'm off that platform. I don't have the money to get the next one, so I'm just going to get that one, a lower price point and all that. But it is, when you actually think about it, how fast this industry moves. You know what I mean? And how, yeah.
It's crazy, you guys. It's crazy. You know, it's the industry is, like Eric said, is moving super fast. Obviously, Milwaukee's leading the pack with the innovation. DeWalt is like right up there with them. But I feel when DeWalt releases things, it's like solid. Right? I mean, I don't even know of one thing DeWalt ever released that people were just like, that kind of sucks.
The wall scanner?
The wall scanner. And they came out with a version 2, but I think so much damage was done it didn't really.
Yeah, I'm trying to think, because when it comes to like their miter saws, table saws, and
they're
stuff
solid.
like that, and even their drill and driver are very comfortable. Those are the kind of the DeWalt cornerstones for me.
Yep, solid tools, dude. Solid tools. You can't go wrong. Check it out, you guys. Just DeWalt for you. FlexVolt Advantage. Go over to Instagram, tool, or all those other places. Click the subscribe button if you're still here. We know Logan's
So what's his
here.
Instagram you're talking
Logan's
about?
the only one left. He's like, I'm here, boys. Because we love Logan because he's awesome.
Instagram.
What?
What is that you're talking about?
Oh, it's this new thing. It's pretty cool. I'll talk to you about it once we talk about the MySpace.
What's that?
You'll find out.
Sweet.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.